Okay, it's winter, it's freezing out, way behind on all my projects, but I gotta do a little bit of maintenance on the 2007 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Okay, so the plan today is do a quick oil change as well. Previously, I have put some different size tires on the truck and wheels. Works out to about the same size, but these are not as low profile for a little bit more cushion on the off-roading and gravel roads and things like that. The issue we have now is that the brake pad sensor got chewed up because of the different size wheels. I just got to reroute it a little bit, but we got to replace that because the brake pad sensor light is on inside, so we'll work on that as well. Let's get at it. Okay, oil change is done. Now let's change this brake pad sensor. Okay, so here's the brake pad sensor wire. You can see it's all chewed up and well, basically broken in half here. So it's connected to caliper just with that little nub there, and then it is routed in behind here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this apart, follow the wires. I think it connects just in behind this shield here, but get this pulled off, get it replaced, and that should get rid of that light for us. So okay, so I've got this tucked all the way back here. I put a little zip tie on it just to tuck it in with the brake line there, and then I've got it running basically back the stock route. I'm gonna put that wheel back on, just kind of make sure it's not it's tucked away and it doesn't have any rubbing issues, and then we should be good. Okay, moment of truth here. I'm gonna start it up, see if the brake pad sensor light goes up. All good. Okay, so oil change done. Brake pad sensor has been replaced. This isn't really a how-to video. This is just kind of a shop vlog while I kind of did some routine maintenance on the truck. As the keen observer may have noticed, my hood strut are shot, so I had to use a snow scraper to keep the hood open. So I've got those on order. I might do a quick video coming up just how to swap those out. For those that don't know, it's super easy, but it's just another part of basic maintenance. So anyways, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Analog Generation.